How to choose a modular home floor plan. Modular homes are becoming increasingly popular as home buyers discover the affordability and durability of this type of construction. Another great feature of these homes is the ability to completely customize it with various design options. Choosing the floor plan that will meet the needs of your family and give you the look you desire will enable you to enjoy your home for many years to come. Modular homes are manufactured in an environmentally secure factory and then assembled on-site. This type of construction allows for a durable home with a faster completion date and a lower price than the typical traditional home. These homes are completely customizable to meet the preferences of the individual homeowner. You can choose the floor plan as well as the options and features you desire most. Home manufacturers offer hundreds of floor plans so that the home buyer is able to find a layout that will make sense for his or her family. When determining the most appropriate floor plan for your modular home, there are some things to consider.